Hi scholars, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, I am your host Betila, and I'm here to provide you with insights to make your application to college less stressful and to make your voice shine in the applications room. Today, I want to discuss on how to write an outstanding personal essay. We'll cover what hasn't changed, what has changed, and I'll be giving you 3 tips on how to make your personal statement and application essays stand out. What does this mean? Colleges are still looking for skills, values, interests that you contribute to the campus community. The Common App has 7 prompts you can choose from, and no prompt is better than another. So even if you choose any topic of your choice, that's perfectly fine. Now, here are 2 key points you must remember. The first is it will be really helpful if you think of a unique essay topic for your personal statement. I'll dive more into this at the end of the video. Your personal statement is an important piece, but just one of the pieces in your application puzzle. The second thing you have to note is that we have an activity list, which is like your brag sheet, and we also have supplemental essays, which you can use to showcase different versions and different talents you have. Before we proceed, I want to say if you're a subscriber or just a follower, thank you very much for your support. And if you're new here, please kindly tap the subscribe button. It will go a long way to support us to keep making these videos for you. We've got a lot of opportunities here and we'll be very, very grateful if you could stick around. Let's head right back into the video. Different colleges may ask for different essays. So remember that while your personal statement is important, it's not everything. Sorry to burst your bubble. Now let's look at the changes for this year. The Common App has made 2 small updates. The community disruption section is now called Challenges and Circumstances. I think you should actually be happy because it expands more on what you can include in this section. The additional information section has been reduced from 650 words to 300 words. What does this mean for you? It means that you can explain and expand more on your application detailing. If you face challenges like an illness that affected your grades, the challenges and circumstances section is a perfect place to mention that. Also, if you also face family challenges like maybe a parent losing a job, it is good to mention it there too because it meant that you took on more responsibilities. Use the additional information section to elaborate on something important you did. It could have been a unique course you took or a research you carried out. Just keep it straightforward. You can use bullets. It will be perfect. A common question I always get is, can I explain a bad grade? Yes, of course, I completely recommend it as the case, so that the reader wouldn't be left wondering what happened. You should also include what the challenge was, what you learned from it, especially. Now, I want to share the 3 tips for making your personal statement stand out. First, think of a unique topic you want to use for your personal statement. Common themes like music and sports will just help you blend in because they are mostly written about. I think you should instead focus on a unique topic that is going to help you showcase yourself in different shades. For example, you could talk about a bootcamp that you attended, not forgetting to highlight the skills, the values, and the qualities you obtained from that experience. Second, research on the college you are applying to and look at what qualities they value. For example, if you're applying to Johns Hopkins, go to their page and check out what they look for. Many colleges provide this information. You should implement them and incorporate them into your personal essays and supplemental essays. Finally, supplemental essays are just as important as your personal statement. They help colleges understand what you contribute to the campus community. Here are some practical steps you can use to write a stellar personal statement. First, brainstorm on a unique idea. Second, research on college qualities by googling what we look for and then the college name. Third, integrate these qualities into your supplemental essays. There are so many supplemental essays guides online, but if you need one-on-one support, we offer that too. We also support low-income students through our Matches program. You can find all the links below. Much love and see you later.